Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable salad dressing. To begin, understand that a great dressing balances oil, acid, and seasonings. A common starting point is a ratio of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts oil, but this can be adjusted. Emulsifying your dressing is key for a smooth, cohesive texture, preventing separation of ingredients. This foundational knowledge will help you create delicious dressings. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a flavorful dressing. Opt for high-quality oils, such as extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil as they form the base. For acidity, explore vinegars like apple cider, red wine, or balsamic, each offering a unique tang. Don't forget to add fresh herbs like parsley or dill, and spices such as black pepper or garlic powder to elevate the taste. Once you have the basics, customizing your dressing is fun and easy. Introduce a touch of sweetness with honey, maple syrup, or a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. For a creamier texture, consider adding plain yogurt, tahini, or even a little mustard. Freshly squeezed citrus juices like lemon or lime can provide a vibrant, bright finish, adding another layer of complexity to your creation. Proper storage ensures your homemade dressing stays fresh and delicious. Always transfer your finished dressing to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. Most oil and vinegar-based dressings will keep well for about 5 to 7 days. Before serving, give your dressing a good whisk or shake to re-emulsify any separated ingredients, ensuring a consistent flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.